What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's an awesome day. Sun is about to go down. It's a perfect time. I'm chilling here in my backyard. It's beautiful to see you guys again. On this episode, I'm going to talk about how you can go to college while you're active duty military. Yes, you have to work 40 hours, sometimes more, but it's doable. I recently graduated from University of Central Missouri, which is nearby where we live. I've been going to school for the last 2.5 years and I'm finally done. So it is doable, and today's video I'm gonna tell you exactly how to do it. So first thing you want to do is have a game plan. What you're going to study and how long are you going to take to finish it. So how do you come up with a game plan? No worries, I'm about to show you how you can come up with a game plan by giving you an example.
Guys, meet Airman DBA. Airman DBA wants to go to college, so he goes to the education office, does a TA briefing, and decides what he wants to do for his degree. And he wants to get a degree in underwater basket weaving. As long as it's authorized by a college and that's actual degree, Air Force pays for it. He already has 60 credits before he joined the military, and he did some CLEPs, so he already has 60 credits done. He has 2 years to finish it. Finish that at 120 credits. 60 out of which is already done. He has 60 left. He comes up with the plan. First year, fall, he takes 2 classes, 2 8-week classes, gives him 6 credits. Another 2 8-week classes gives him 6 credits. So in fall of first year, he finishes 12 credits. And in the spring, he does the same thing. Takes 2 classes at a time, 8 weeks each, gives him 12 credits. And in the summer, he takes 2 classes, gives him 6 credits. Similarly, same thing in the fall of second year, spring of second year, and the summer, takes 6 credits. Now after 2 years, DBA graduates. DBA is happy. He got a degree in underwater basket weaving. Yay, done.
So guys, once you have that roadmap in place, what you want to do is go to the PDC on your base. I'm sure you know what the PDC is. Go there, sign up for classes, depending on what school you want to go to and what degree you want to achieve. Do that, and then just grind it away. You get $4,500 a year to pay for your tuition. So $4,500, I'm telling you, it's more than enough to cover your undergraduate tuition. Because I used it. Air Force basically paid a very close to $15,000 over the matter of 2.5 years to complete my degree. So it is doable. And guys, as long as you're doing your job like you're supposed to, you can take as many classes as you want. I was literally full-time student for the majority of the 2.5 years while I actually had a job 40 hours a week at least. So it is definitely doable, but if you don't do well in those classes, you're gonna have to pay that back. So that's the catch. If you don't get C or better, you're gonna have to pay that back. You're gonna have to pay that money for that one class. As long as you get a C or better, you don't have to pay that back. So keep that in mind, because yes, you get $4,500 and it's free. You might want to finish your classes as fast as possible, but please keep that in mind. You have a work to do, you have a mission to accomplish. It does take a little bit of time management and you need to be focused, but it is doable. I did it. Everyone else can do it. So my recommendation is that take 1 or 2 classes to start off and see how you feel, and if you feel comfortable, take 1 more the next semester, and then so on. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video informational, and if you have any questions, please let me know on the comment section down below. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss any more videos in the future. आजको लागि यति नै. Peace. Thank you.